Hey, it's your baking business mentor, Jen from Cupcakeology and the Start Small Win Big Academy. And I want to talk about the pros and cons of using Cash App in your baking business, okay? So what are the pros? The pros are when you're starting out your baking business, you're testing it, you don't know if this is going to be a viable business or not, you don't know how far you're going to be able to take it. So before you start spending a lot of money on setting up the business, on getting business licenses, licenses and everything, business marketing strategies, all that stuff, you're going to want to start testing your business, and then it's okay to use Cash App, right? So it's a way for you to go and get customers, to test out your products, your baking products, see what works, see if this is going to become a viable business before you start putting a lot of money into your business, right? So that's a way for you to take payment other than cash. As far as I can see it, that is the only pro of using Cash App, because once you make the decision that, okay, I've tested this business, I've tested these products, they are bomb.com, everybody's loving it. Now it's time for me to map out a business plan because I want to take this business to the next level. I want this business to be eventually my full-time career, right? So now that you're getting your business licenses, now that you're getting your EIN, your separate business bank account, right? Now you're going to start to grow your business. Now you're going to start to think like CEOs and run your business like a corporation, right? So now is the time to stop taking Cash App. Stop taking Cash App. And here are the cons. Here are the reasons why you're going to stop taking Cash App. Because number one, it's not professional. No professional business, company, anything. Just think about it. Anytime you call someone, anytime you set up a business, anytime you rent a car, anytime you purchase food, anytime you do anything, nobody says, here's my Cash App, pay me. No, they say credit card, right? Or cash, or I'll invoice you. Okay. So now's it's time to stop using Cash App. Now you're going to set up a Square account, a PayPal account, or a Stripe account, or Square and PayPal, whatever works best for your business and your business structure. But that's a part of your business plan. That's what you're mapping out, right? So now that you're no longer taking Cash App and you're actually taking your credit cards, your sales through, let's say Square, because I'm a huge advocate for Square because that's how we grew Cupcakeology, real huge. We've never received a small business loan. We've always used Square, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So you're going to use Square. You're going to set up Square for Business account. You're going to link that to your business bank account, okay? And now you're going to start taking all of your payments through Square. Whether you're out there at a pop-up shop, you're going to either have a attachment on your phone, a Square attachment on your phone, or on your iPad or tablet, right? Even if you're taking cash, guys, and you have a portable cash register, it may not open when you hit cash, when you input the sale into your Square app on your phone or on your tablet. However, because you're taking cash, if you're not taking credit cards and you're taking cash, you're going to still put that into the system, the app on your phone or your tablet, right? And then you're going to give them an electronic receipt. So the whole point of it is you're tracking every single sale coming through your business, which means you're getting credit through Square that you're consistently taking sales, and you're getting consistent tracking for your books so you can keep your books straight, right? Every single day, every single week, however you do it. And when you go and get that business loan, or you go for that grant, or you go to start applying for business credit, now you're going to show that you're a real business. Now you're going to show proof of sales, proof of business. You cannot do that through Cash App, okay? So Cash App is killing you. It's killing your business, and it's keeping your business from growing, right? So now that you're showing Square that you have sales, now eventually you're going to become eligible for their capital loan. And there you go. That is an alternative piece of funding that you can use to start your business. Hashtag no more Cash App.